Hi amigos, I am Erica and I'll be showing you today how to make pan tumaca. For this dish today you'll need toasted bread, tomatoes, salt, and olive oil. Garlic is optional, but for simplicity I am using garlic powder today. This is really simple. You only have to cut your tomatoes and put them in the blender with your salt and optional garlic powder. And I will show you how to make it. To cut the tomatoes, I personally like to take this part out, and then since it's flattened, I like to take it and then cut it by half. And then I don't really like this part since it's really hard, so I like to cut it kind of diagonally. And then it comes out. Same with the other side. You can keep the seeds if you want. And then cut it. Then put these pieces in your blender. Now I have cut all the rest of my tomatoes the same way that I did for the first one. Now I'll add these to the blender. Along with the salt and optional garlic powder. So here's the salt. I'll add it in there. And then here's the garlic. I'll add it in there too as well. Pan tumaca is a simple breakfast that is enjoyed throughout Spain and also Italy. They eat it a lot in parts of Spain, such as Andalusia and Catalonia. Now, I have put all my blended tomato in a separate bowl, which can be chunky or watery, all on your liking, and then some olive oil in a separate squeeze bottle. And now to assemble. And this will all be done to your liking. You can put as much or as little as you want. And then to top it off with the olive oil, just a little bit. And we are done. This simple breakfast can also be enjoyed with Spanish jamón, queso, or aceitunas, but I like to keep it a little simple. Buen provecho, stay safe, and hasta luego amigos. Bye.